So my phone is about to die, but I did want to film the intro and outro to this video so I could get it uploaded and edited. So as you guys saw by the title, I'm going to be showing you guys in this episode of Entrepreneur Life series how I make my Mystic Bronze lip gloss. In this video, I am currently wearing it, and baby girl, look at that shine, honey. I love me a shiny lip gloss. I don't think I want to ever purchase any other type of lip gloss because of this one. So I have some right here. These are the ones that I'm going to be showing you how I make. These are 20 ml tubes. Like, I ain't coming to play, honey. I want my lip gloss to last you for a while because I know you're going to love it. I know you're going to love it. I love it. It is strawberry scented and it is such a really pretty like gloss. So if you want to see how I make my lip gloss, then just keep on watching. Also, before we get into the actual video, if you want to purchase my gloss, then just click the link down below in the description bar and it'll take you straight to my website so you can purchase my gloss and support your girl before she goes under the knife for the C-section. Also, yeah, I have my C-section scheduled on October 6th. So if you don't see me or hear from me, that is why, but I am pre-filming a whole bunch of videos for you guys so you guys can stay updated and connected to me. So let's get right into the video. So I start off by disinfecting with some Lysol disinfectant spray. I just grab a Bounty, wipe my area down wherever I'm making my gloss. Most likely gonna be here in my vanity. Then I have my gloves. Then I have some Now Solutions grapeseed oil. I also have fractionated coconut oil, vitamin E oil, Loran's strawberry flavoring oil, and then I got some lip gloss base from Amazon. Then I got some pigments and liquid pigments from TKB, some 20 milliliter syringes, some styrofoam plates, and some lip gloss squeezy tubes. And you're gonna need something to mix. I just had a plastic knife, so that's what I used. So now getting into the actual process of making it. So I just added a little bit of lip gloss base just so I could show you guys how I make my Mystic Bronze lip gloss. So I just pour some of that into the bowl, not too much because again, this is just for demonstrating purposes. So now I'm going by eye, there's no actual measurements. I'm gonna add some coconut oil and then I am going to add a little bit of the grapeseed oil. And I believe I also add some vitamin E. Yeah, I add a little bit of vitamin E oil because that really helps nourish the lips. It works wonders, trust me. So after I add all three of those oils, I start to mix it together. And yeah, this is just the mixing process. So now I'm gonna add some of the Loran's strawberry flavoring oil just so that the lip gloss has a little something when you apply it. And then I'm gonna add a little bit more grapeseed oil. Again, this is all by eye. I know how I like my lip gloss consistency. To each his own. Everyone likes it different. Some people like it a little bit more thicker. Some people like it super runny. Some people like it like regular runny, or you know, everyone has their own preference for the lip gloss. So I just added a little bit more oil, and then here I'm just showing you the consistency. So now I'm going to add some of my pigment so it gives the gloss some type of color, and I love these pigments mixed together. They are such a good match. They give like the lip gloss this iridescent type of look, and it just looks really pretty. So yeah, really like the two pigments that I chose to mix together. And again, I'm just mixing them up together, so I'll let you guys watch that and I will be right back. Now that I am all done with mixing, I'm grabbing my syringe. I'm going to take it apart and make sure that I put the like seal back on, so when I'm pouring my lip gloss into it, it doesn't fall out. So now I'm just going to put the lip gloss into the syringe. And then I'm just going to start filling my lip gloss tubes. And once I'm done filling them, I put the stopper on and put the lid on it, and then I sanitize them with some alcohol. I normally give them like a hot bath with some Dawn soap and hot water, and I will add some alcohol in there as well, but because I was doing this, you know, right now, I just used alcohol. And yeah, these weren't going on my site anyways, these were just for me and my niece. So yeah, these were just for demonstrating purposes either way. But yeah, you definitely want to sanitize them and clean them and make sure you get all the sticky stuff off, because you don't want your customers to get a sticky gloss what am I trying to say? You don't want your customers to get a lip gloss that is sticky. There we go. So yeah, and once you're done sanitizing them, you're practically all done and good to go. Look at how that just looks so magical. Dude, like, yes or no? Come on, tell me that doesn't look magical. But yeah, that is how I make my lip glosses. So I'm gonna let you guys just watch the rest of the process, and I will see you guys in the outro. Bye. Okay, so you're gonna hear my son in the background because he's very active, so apologizing ahead of time. So before I start labeling, I'm going to take a Bounty and some alcohol and wipe down the tubes. Normally I will like bathe them in some soap and hot water and alcohol so that they're all nice and cleansed. So wipe it down really good. Make sure there's no oils left on it. So this is what they look like. And again, these are 20 milliliter tubes, so disregard what you see on the paper. I'm going to cut that off. I have to, these were for like my little circular tubes, but these labels are too big, so I have to order more labels and reprint them. But I do have the 20 ml label here. And just for comparison, this is from ColourPop. This is their So Juicy Plumping Gloss, and this is 12 grams, which is 12 ml. And that is the difference. So there's an 8 milliliter difference in the product. But let's get into labeling. So I have my logo here, and then I have the ingredients on the back. So first I'm going to peel this off, and I know I'm going to cut off the excess because I don't need it. Okay, so I got my logo here, and I just don't know if I want to stick it on like that or put it sideways. Should I put it straight? I mean, I think it looks good straight. Yeah, I think I'm gonna put it straight. Why not?
Yeah.
So my logo is on there now. So next I'm going to take the 20 ml sticker and place it at the bottom of the side where my logo is at. And then we're going to come over here, and then we're going to grab an ingredient sticker. Which looks like this. And then we're just going to stick her on the tube like so, nice and smooth. No air bubbles. Don't like air bubbles. And there we have it. We have the ingredients, and then my label, and then the amount of the product. So I'm gonna do that for this one, and I'll be right back to show you what they look like done completely. So this is what they look like done. My label on it says 20 ml, and then the ingredients in the back. I love the way they came out, and honestly I love the formula. I'm currently wearing it. Super good. So these will be up on my site shortly. They should definitely be up by the time I have my Memorial Day, or what is it, Labor Day sale, one or the other, which is on the 7th or the 9th of September. So if you are interested, go check it out. I'm not sure I'm gonna purchase it yet. I gotta figure out how much it is to make one, and then I will price it like that, but trust me, it will be super affordable. So go check it out. Also, leave a comment down below if I should launch some beauty sponges slash beauty blenders. I have a vendor, and they have the softest sponges ever. So yeah, I'm thinking about dropping those for a super affordable price as well. So I will see you guys in the outro. So that brings this video to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, drop a thumbs up. Comment down below what you guys think of the gloss that I'm currently wearing, which is the one that I just showed you how to make. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join the Rose family. I would love to have you guys join the Rose family. On that note, I hope you guys are having an amazing day or night wherever you are. Stay safe, stay blessed, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.